After sketching the apple this morning, I thought, I wonder if it'd be good if the next page of the sketchbook was a painting, and I wondered also if I had the appropriate colors to capture the apple in my stash of watercolors. So anyway, started with some bold strokes, and that thing, that zigzag there was sort of going to haunt me for the rest of this painting. Spontaneous brush stroke. So here, this is what I call the underpainting. I let that dry, and I'm using a 14 treacle brush here, and thinking I should really go into a smaller brush, but trying to hold back on that, as it's always good to use the same brush for as long as possible. And okay, the shadow is not really cooperating, but anyway, continuing on, trying to get those subtle nuances of greens, and the more I stared at it, the more I saw like reds coming through, very subtle reds, that is. And then I thought, I really got to get more darks going across the body of the apple, so I was trying to do some darks. This is the third dry time. So then I thought, let me just work on this down with a small brush. So hit this down with the small brush and just try to fix up the shadow very slightly, and working very cautiously now because it was coming half decent, and didn't want to mess it up. And that's what I ended up with. Green apple watercolor paint. Unfortunately, on kind of cheap paper, but otherwise I probably could have done a lot more layering and that sort of thing. Lots of fun though.